What is good, my beautiful people? Welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Listen, I did a very simple get out the door, really quick makeup tutorial today. You want to see how I accomplished this simple look? Take a look at the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And do what? Hit that notification bell so that you are aware when I post videos, so that you are up on what's new, what's hot, what's popping. All right. Okay, ladies, I start off by showing you what time I actually began this video so you can see just how quick I actually went through this tutorial. And as usual, we start off with priming our face. And today I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I decided a little bit after the fact to go ahead and tame that bush, putting on my nice little cute pink fluffy little headband there. Push some of that hair back out of the way so that I can beat this face. And I'm going to start off with my foundation, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick in the color Walnut. And I just start off by putting it pretty much everywhere that I want it. And I'm going to buff it out using the NYX Professionals makeup brush. If you're looking for this brush, it's number 37. You can find it at Ulta. And here, I'm just going to basically blend everything in until it's seamless. Make sure there's no harsh lines. And of course, once we get our foundation on, we move on to our eyebrows. And I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This pencil that I'm using is in the color number 5. And today when I put on my brow pencil gel, I didn't have to do too much, because if you took a look at the previous video that I uploaded for eyebrow tinting, you'll see that I had my eyebrows tinted here. So it was fairly easy to fill in the little bit of what I had to fill in, because it was already done for me. So like I said in that video, if you want a easy peasy makeup look, go ahead and get your eyebrows tinted. It'll be worth it for whatever occasion. And as you saw, I just held up the Morphe R44 brush and the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep. And I'm going to use that to conceal my under eye and basically just outline everything as I did in the eyebrow tutorial that I showed you, ladies. And if you haven't seen that one, you can also check that out on my page. And the brush that I'm using to blend that concealer out is the M173 brush by Morphe. This is a very handy brush for those small places like your eyebrows, under your eyebrows. Gets in those small places. I really love this brush. It blends well. And basically, I'm just defining my shape, getting everything how I want it. And there you just saw me use my foundation brush just to kind of brush away some of the excess color from the color Deep to give me my actual skin tone color. And now that I've gotten everything the way that I wanted it, I'm going in with the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel to, put everything in place, set everything in place. And there you just saw me hold up the Ulta concealer brush. It's just basically a flathead brush to apply that same Tarte Shape Tape concealer on my eyelid. And I'm using that same M173 brush to blend everything out. And instead of using eyeshadow today, I'm going to go to the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I started off with the Sculpt shade. And I placed that in the crease of my eyes using the MAC M217 brush. Then I went to the corners of the eyes with the contour shade to kind of deepen that look. And then I came back into the center, not center, the forefront of my eyes with the highlight color in that same palette to give my eyes a little shimmer. Nothing major, like I said. This is a 1-2 hitter quitter. Easy. Easy peasy, like they say on my favorite TV show, Big Sky. Easy peasy. And once everything is blended in to my liking, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics brush, the number 7. It's a blending brush. And I'm going to place some of that highlight right under the brow bone of my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use some of the Sculpt to blend down some of the darker color in the front of my eyes. Okay. And here, I'm going to go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the same color deep. And I'm going to apply a small amount of highlight, not too much, as you can see. And I placed a little bit too much on one eye, but I'll show you how I correct that in a minute. But not too much of that, because this is not a glam look. And I went in with the Born to Glow. I went in with the wrong color at first. So once I recognized that, I went ahead and went to the right color, which is the Deep Espresso. Yeah, change out. So I'm applying that contour to the areas that I want to actually bring to the back. And then my highlight is my Tarte Shape Tape. And there I'm using the Sephora number 89 Pro Buffing Brush. And I'm going to use that to blend out the contour. And this is the part where I say I start to look like Iron Man. Yeah. I start to look a little costumey, as if I have on some sort of mask. But nonetheless, you just blend according to your face. And because I have kind of a slim face, I kind of, blend down in that area where my cheekbones are. Now you'll see me wet my sponge using the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. And I'm going to use this to blend out the contour. And as you can see, I'm going to jump around because I want to spread it evenly on my face. I kind of had a little bit more in one area than I did in some. So I just took my beauty blender, and just moved it around more than what I would normally do. But just make sure you keep looking up so that you don't set creases in your eyes. Whatever you do, always look up. I know for me it's kind of hard to look up while I'm trying to actually film for you guys. So there's my mask, my Iron Man mask, and I'm going to take that same Sephora 89 blending brush, and I'm going to blend in those two, my contour and my highlight, so the lines don't look so harsh. See, looking better already. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to place this everywhere that I have placed the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. If you notice in this video, I did not contour my nose. And the reason for that is because, to me, this is just a very quick look. It's not glam. It's an everyday look. So I don't have a problem with my nose. I don't feel like I need to contour it every single time I do makeup. But if you want to, you can add it in. Probably add you on maybe another 3 minutes to your look. Who knows? Depends on how good you are at contouring your nose. And now I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the color NW48. And everywhere that I have placed the contour, I'm going to take that Morphe E4 brush, and I'm going to apply that MAC foundation. And basically this is just putting powder over everywhere that I have placed cream, so that when I apply my setting spray, I am setting powder, not cream. Set those smile lines, baby. My camera died on me, but hey, we're back. And I'm just showing you the time it took me to flip over that battery really quick and come back into it. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my eyeliner. And of course, I'm going to use my Milani Kohl Kajal pencil, not the NYX pencil today. No. And I'm going to do a simple eyeline. Nothing fancy. Just something to make my eyes pop just a little. So you can see the difference from my makeup, my eyes, and my mascara once I have them all on. And you'll also notice once I do the bottom, I will not go fully across. It's because I feel, my opinion is, in the daytime, I don't want a full dark waterline. I just prefer half. And of course, for my lashes, I'm using none other than the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I love this stuff. It just makes my lashes look luscious to me. For a drugstore brand mascara, it is the best. I love it. So just make sure you're looking down so that you don't get the mascara onto your makeup look that you just spent 10 minutes applying. Okay, so we don't want to start over. We got somewhere to go. We got to get up out the door, right? We got to move. And take your time. Take your time. All right, it's looking good, looking good. Okay, and because I did not contour my nose, I'm going back in with that MAC Studio Fix, and I'm just applying powder onto those portions that I feel like I did not apply powder to in any way, shape, or form. So that when I use my setting spray, I'm actually setting powder, not liquid or cream foundation. Guess what? None other than my favorite lip liner pencil, Milani, the color Understatement. It is a brown lip liner pencil that goes on so smoothly. I love it. Love it. And then for my lip gloss today, I'm using the NYX in the color Praline. Mwah. Beautiful. Let's go, girl. Yeah. I was really mushing it in, wasn't I? And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Shower me with love. And then fan that down so it will dry down a little bit faster so that I can get on out the door. Normally I would just let it sit and then just walk out because it would dry normally. But hey, we got somewhere to be. Remember, we're on a time limit. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. What do you think? I like it. All right. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and try this look. 35 minutes and you're out the door. All right. Bye.